Hello, 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 hello. Thank you so very much for watching this review video. You could be anywhere in the world when we're here together. Totally appreciate you. As well as thank you so very much for being here and watching the video. Today we have the salt lamp. It has the 8 different the changing colors, and it's pretty fancy pants. It's in the kitchen, in the corner, and on top of the stove here. And the cord does have a USB port so that we can plug it in to the wall. Turn the light off and you'll see the changing colors. So we do find it very calming. Energetic wise as well. It's just, it sets off the mood for the kitchen. It's small enough to sit on top of the stove, and yet it does its energetic properties. Does what it's supposed to do. Totally love it. Highly recommend. It's on the wooden plate there. And gorgeous. Love, love, love. Bye for now.